Okay, first part, let's talk about it. When can you use a linking agreement? So as you can see, this is an example of a linking agreement, but we're going to talk about when can you use a linking agreement. So what you need to think about it is, imagine you have a nonprofit organization and you have a community. So let's say you have a nonprofit organization and you have a community with a lot of people in it. And this community goes to your website, and on the website, you have a lot of information. The thing is, you're a nonprofit organization and you're making costs, and you'll be like, okay, how do I get money in order to cover those costs? So what you can do is you can go into an agreement with some company, and in agreement, you will put like, hey, you can visit, I can put your link on my website, but you have to pay me for it. So I need to get compensation for it. So let's say this is you and your community. Yeah, so A and B. A is a nonprofit organization, B is the company, and they go together and they create an agreement. In an agreement, you will say, okay, I will put the link on my website. You're going to give me compensation for it. It's important that you put exactly what you're going to do on your website and what they expect from you. It's that simple. And you get compensation for it and you both sign it, and then you have a linking agreement. It's that simple. This can be on your website. This can be when someone wants to promote in your company or in your nonprofit organization. They can do that, but you need to have an agreement where you put specific what they allow and don't allow to do. Keep in mind, a linking agreement is simple. What I mean by that is there's only one situation here. Sometimes you will have some nonprofit organization, they get more, or some company want more, but they need to put specific rules in the contract. But this is just for linking on the website. If you need specific things, if you need specific contracts or specific advice or consultant, feel free to contact us. The link is in the description. Go to the Discord and create a support ticket, and we'll see if we can help you or not. It's that simple. So this is one situation. Let's say you're a student at a university and you want to attract companies so they can sponsor you. This is a business model that you can use. You put the link on the website and they're going to pay you. If you're asking yourself, okay, how much should they pay? Think about $500, $1,000 per year and put it on your website. If you do not know what kind of company you need to approach, think about company where the target group is students. If you approach them with a good deal, say, hey, I have a lot of people on my website, and if you want me to put it on it, I can put you on it, but you have to pay me for it, a compensation. You can also use this contract. If you need more tips about these kind of things, feel free to contact us, because we have experience with this during our university years. So feel free to contact us and we'll see if we can help you or not. It's that simple. The link is in the description. So these are situations where you can use the linking agreement. In the next video, I will talk more about the linking agreement, what kind of things you can put in the linking agreement, and see if it can help you or not. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. Do it right now. Like the video also. See you in the next one.